Do you really know your style, your content, your designs, the way you dress, the way you speak to your community, your ad creatives, your email posters? All of that and everything is a design language. Having a clothing brand is just an extension of your own personal taste, and it shouldn't be a mess. Have you ever thought that it all comes down to your personality and that the brand is just a mirror of your character? In other words, style is your language. And once you understand your own language, creating content and everything else is gonna become way easier. To give you a more specific example, let's talk about a world, a lore, a universe, whatever you want to call it, that I'm developing for my own brand that I call traveling narrative. The concept is pretty simple. It's just something that I'm currently going through in my life because I'm traveling a lot. Basically, my wardrobe is filled with a lot of uncomfortable shit. When traveling long distance, like airplane or something like that, it's just uncomfortable to be wearing for 8, 10 hours on an airplane something that looks good, but it's hella uncomfortable. So I was like, okay, I want to create a narrative of feeling cozy while still flexing it out when you're out there on the airport. People could still notice, especially when you travel by groups and you wear similar stuff, they're gonna notice. And that's just my narrative, and it's just coming from my own personal life. I will be creating content and next designs from this main idea, main picture, because it's a life I've been experiencing and I want to solve my own problem. Thanks to that, my community is going to relate to the activities that I'm doing and then see the codes and then maybe buy them, okay? But they have to relate to the activity as the first thing. I know what my consumers' activities are because I'm my own consumer. Look, this whole mission thing, this narrative, this concept, this idea thing is not something that you can just say out loud and that the community will immediately grasp onto. Rather, it's an internal motivation factor for my internal team, my crew, my models, my videographers, photographers to really adapt into their lives that will translate into genuine content. And thanks to that, the feelings, the emotions gonna be authentic. So the viewer starts becoming the fan and starts relating to the activity or whatever the fuck we're doing there. Characters, their story, and their emotion are the most important focus in a movie. I hope you're starting to understand this a bit. Design could be anything. The device you're watching this on, an interior design, this fucking whatever on the window is a design, okay? This camera is a design. Everything could be designed. And once you start being more aware of that, you open like a third eye, like for real. I'm not even posting that much. But yeah, if you want a specific topic from me, hit it below and I'll see you next